Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we'll be doing an ab workout. It should take about 5 minutes. This is something you can feel free to repeat and do it again, or if 5 minutes is good for you, then that's good for me. So we're gonna start here on the floor, and we're just gonna start with some regular crunches. I do about 30. All right. Then you're going to place your feet a little bit farther than hip distance apart. I call these penguins. They're called a multitude of things, but you're going to touch your foot and reach and touch the other foot. Make sure your neck is up off the ground. These are working our side abs and your lower core because you're holding up this part of your body. Good. All right. So next, we're going to bring our legs up and out. Up. Good. All right. So for our next exercise, if you want to grab a weight, you can. We're going to do Russian twists. Good. All right, I'm going to get some water, which I have here. Okay. Next, what we're going to do, cross one leg over, and the opposite elbow, we're going to do crunches this way. Good. Now switch legs and switch arms. Good. Okay. So next we're just going to do side planks. We won't hold them for very long, just about 15 seconds. So up. And if you want a little bit harder, you can put your arm up and put your leg up. I'm just going to do it this way for now. Good job. 5 more seconds. Good. All right, then we'll switch into the other side. Same thing, and up. Make sure you breathe while you're doing this. Don't hold your breath. A lot of people tend to do that. Five more. Good. All right. So that's our 5-minute ab workout for today. Again, like I said, you can do this again, do it more than once. There are tons of different exercises for abs. I try to target all of our different muscles in our abs, but these are not the only ones that you can do. There are plenty more. So thank you so much for joining us. Have a good one.